Hey everyone, Tim here with you. Hey listen, I've got a 2016, it's got the 2.5 liter in it. I've got to put an alternator on it. I just wanted to give you guys some tips on this. I've already got it down in there, got the old one off, got the new one down in there. It's a pretty straightforward job. Some people say you got to take that intake manifold off. You don't have to. All I did, I took that the tension pulley here. I took the tension pulley off. It goes right here, and you can see the alternator down there. I took this reserve container off. I took the lower radiator hose off and another hose right here, and I just kind of tucked them back up out of the way. And then in order for that thing to come out, you got one bolt here on top and you got two on the bottom. The two on the bottom, you can reach down there with a little short ratchet and a socket and get to them pretty easy, not hard at all. Of course, this one's really easy to get to here. And you take the belt off, of course, all that, I already said that. But anyway, to get that out of there, you take the bolt out of this AC line here, and that gives you just enough room to push that over where that thing comes out right here. You come right out the top here, and then go back in with it the same way. So that's a little trick for you. A 2016 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter, and I hope that helps you out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me. Thank you very much.